Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ethan, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So it's actually pretty easy once you get the hang of it, but yeah, so just grab a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, and if this video gets 7 likes, then I'll create another video teaching you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And alright, let's just get into it. So first we have to scramble it. So if you want, if you want to just follow the scramble, I'll just do a random scramble. And if your 2x2 is already scrambled, then just wait. Alright, so I'm just gonna have the white, or the orange face towards you. Keep it towards you, and then the yellow face right above you, like this, and then just do this. Alright, and that'll be the scramble. And then, so the first thing to do is you need to get the white side, or the white face. So what you're supposed to do is you find a white corner, any white corner. So for instance, I'll I'll choose this one. So this white corner consists of blue, orange, and white. So I'll just find another corner that is also white that has orange, which will be this one, because this corner has orange and green. So I know that this has an orange and this has an orange, so I'll just do this. So now it's connected. Alright, now there is a corner here, but it's not connected because it's red. So this corner is supposed to be here. But first, let me just find the other corners. This corner's over here. So what we're gonna do is, since this corner right here is green and red, and this has green too, so we're just gonna put the white corner right here because it's gonna match, because it also has green. So I'm gonna do that. So you see how this is all connected, and then just the last corner, you just put the last corner in because that one is also connected. Alright, the next step is trying to get the yellow side, and there's different ways to get the yellow side, but this is what I usually do. So I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna have this red side facing me. It can be any side, but I'm just gonna do this side, and I'm just gonna do this. And then whenever you see a yellow corner like this, then you just put it in the left corner and just keep on putting and keep on doing that until you finally have it. So I put it in the corner, just keep on doing it. Done. And just like that. After you got the yellow, then the very last step for solving the 2x2 is what I usually do is, if there is one face that is already solved, then I'll just face it just back here, so that the face is just right there. So it's far away from me, and I'm gonna do this. And you'll have it solved. So I'll do it one more time. 1 second. Okay, I'll do it one more time. So you have it like this, face it towards, and then boom. And that's how you solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to Ethan Cubes, and I hope you have a good day. See you later.